Oh, good afternoon. I don't know what the sound quality is like, so I haven't got a mic. I never have a mic, but my sound quality notoriously is quite rubbish on my videos anyway, so you're gonna have to put up with it. But this video is about Starlink, and we've been stress testing it for the last 10 days on a UK-wide travelling adventure. I'm currently in John O'Groats, so you don't get much more north than that in the UK. It's the northernmost point in the UK, and I'm going to show you what you get with the Starlink version 3. So when it's delivered, you get this big old dish. This is the standard size. They do a mini for backpackers and things like that, but we've got a touring caravan, so this sits on top of that, or certainly with a full view of the sky, which we'll talk about in a second. You get an extra long Ethernet cable, which provides power to the dish and connects the router to the dish, really long, and it's great because you need complete sort of sky coverage. Sometimes your dish might be 20 meters away from where you're actually working, right? So that's why you get a long cable. Get a router. This has been plugged in for a minute or two. We have a solid white light. You can use a secondary router, which I do. With work, I have a VPN provided by NordVPN and a static dedicated IP. I've got a GLI net router that you plug into the back of this, and it basically provides another Wi-Fi account that you can connect to, and then you can route all your traffic through a VPN. So that's what I do, but you don't need to. This will provide a Wi-Fi address that you connect to, and yeah, that's when you'll get the direct access via the dish. And you get a power supply. Power supply is plugged in. I've got a 25-meter cable here, goes all the way to the caravan. Now I'll show you some scenes in a second, but I just wanted to get this sort of set up so you can understand what's what. So dish, Ethernet, router, power supply, that's it. I am quite literally working in the arse end of nowhere. I've got a power supply from my touring caravan, but I'm able to get outstanding internet, hopefully. So you get the app on your phone, Starlink app. Let's have a look. What you need to do is you need to turn off your VPN. If you've got a VPN on your phone, which I do, you need to turn it off completely, otherwise you just can't access the Starlink app. So Wi-Fi, don't know if you can see that. Take a second to focus. I've got one on there called BAMI 2. BAMI 2 is what I set up here. You can change the name. I put connect. It's saying I'm connected. Got 8% battery, which is always nice. Got a Starlink app. And you can see now that I'm online. Can you see that? I'm hoping you can. If not, I'll do a secondary video. So, what have I got? Alignment. I'm misaligned by, it looks like at least 180 degrees. Right, don't know if you can see that. You might not, it's a bit of a reflection, but basically it tells you where you should be facing. I'm currently facing north, as you can see. North coast of the UK, I'm pointing north, and it's telling me that my alignment, I should be pointing south, quite literally, full on 180 degrees. Ah, there we go, look, see that? It's now saying I'm fully aligned. Brilliant. So view obstructions. It's calibrating. I've only had it plugged in for 5 minutes, but I don't know if you can see that. Maybe, maybe not. But it gives you an indication of the satellites that it can see and any obstructions. Maybe some of the obstructions. There's a clouds in the sky. I don't know. Normally I get tree cover, and that's when it shows you sort of red obstructions. But that's about as clear as I've ever seen it. Let's see what my internet speed's like. Speed test. Advanced. iPhone to internet. So run a speed test from this device to the internet and test end-to-end speeds. Start. I will just keep it on there. Now I had 4G earlier, but it was really, really bad. So if it wasn't for this, I just simply wouldn't be able to do my job. we were in door knock yesterday. There we go. So I got 78 Mbps download, 17 upload, 26 milliseconds. So doesn't really mean too much. Let me test something else quickly. Run a speed test. Here we go. So I'm just on Google, just gone on internet speed test. So what's it saying? Can you see that? Testing download speeds. I hope you can see that. That said 73.1 Mbps download. Upload speed is a lot less. Your internet connection is very fast. Your internet connection should be able to handle multiple devices, streaming HD videos, video conferencing and gaming at the same time. Well, there you go. I was hoping it was going to be good connection up here. We are going from John O'Groats over to Durness, Ullapool, then we'll get down to Loch Lomond and Ben Nevis. So we are in the Highlands of Scotland, and 4G and 5G are kind of non-existent. So I need to work. I have been working whilst traveling, so this kit has supported that entirely. So I'm really, really happy. It means that tomorrow morning's conference calls will go well. I'll feed back to my delivery and product managers about where I am in the UK, because they're really, really interested. They're happy that I'm actually doing this, because it's, I don't know, it's fun, right? It's something different. But that's that. That is the Starlink version 3. I'm sure that sound quality have been really, really poor here, but I could have done this in an office and got the sound quality perfect, but you wouldn't get these views. Let me just show you quickly. Look at that. So that's, I think I'm saying this right, Orkney Islands over there. There we go. So you can get a ferry and a boat trip over there, or from everything. Oh, there you go. And en route, sometimes you can see, believe it or not, orca whales. Somebody said something about humpback whales the other day, but I'm not so sure about that. That seems a little bit far-fetched. But you have puffins, sea lions, some dolphins, I believe. But it's a narrow stretch, but apparently it is absolutely saturated with wildlife. So we're only here for one day and one night, because we're gonna, after work tomorrow, we're gonna shuttle over to Durness. But anyway, that's enough about that. You watching this for the Starlink. So yeah, let me get back focused. There we go. So just to summarise, big old dish. Like I say, you can get a mini. Don't know what they're like, never had one. I've heard they're good. Long Ethernet cable, router, power supply, and then we've got this really long cable going all the way over to my touring caravan, which is there. And that is where I'm going to be for the next 24 hours using Starlink to work. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.